Today we are putting SC1 mud repellent capability to the ultimate test.
Let's go. Today we're at Hawks Nest ATV Park with a couple cans of SC1.
Let's spray half the machine with SC1, leave the other half as is, see how it holds up in the mud. All right, we're gonna spray half the machine. Let's do the driver's side half all the way back with SC1, leave the other half as is, and we'll compare the difference. I'm in no way affiliated with SC1. I pay full price. Now usually I use this stuff because it makes the bike look nice. It turns that dark plastic into shine. New bike in a can. But we're gonna test out the other side of things, which is the mud repellent. We have half the machine sprayed with the SC1. Now for the fun part, let's hit some mud holes. All right, let's see how deep these mud holes are. Check her out. You can clearly see the difference the SC1 makes. Obviously with no SC1 and SC1, you can pretty much see the line straight up. That's wild. Look at the tail lights too. Big difference. And even the bumper. Wash that off. It's a little muddier over here. Well, that was just a little rip around too. These are pretty watery mud holes, so it's hard to get too muddy. But I would say it definitely makes a huge difference. SC1 for the win.
And next time, I think we're gonna SC1 your fin trails there.
Yeah, I should SC1 down the middle, half. Stay tuned for the next video. But yeah, I'd say successful trip. SC1 definitely makes a difference, and I'll be using it. Someone's gonna have a little bit difficult time cleaning this half of the machine today, but
not me.
The other half will just spray right off. Now let's check out the front, and very similar results on the front here. Yeah, you can definitely see the side that had the SC1 on it. A lot easier to clean this side up, that's for sure. That mud just doesn't stick to it. capabilities, successful. Big difference between where we had the SC1 and where it wasn't. So I will be using this on the whole machine next time, but every time I go out mudding, it just makes for such a nice cleanup. So not only does this give you a new bike in a can, looks amazing, but out here in the mud has real life benefits and keeps that mud off your machine. All right, until the next video.